Welcome to Canva. I'm really excited to show you around in here. I've got several different features I want to tell you about. And what we're going to do is look at the Morgan Allison Beauty Company's page. So we go to that. It shows you over here on the left folders you have. We just opened that. Things that are shared with you, uploads, and the templates that I had told you I would make. So let's look at the uploads. Here are images and graphics that complement your brand design. I found a few images, stock images that I threw in there. You can obviously replace those, and we'll go through one of those. I have your logo as a SVG image. It looks a little fuzzy, but don't be worried about that. And yes, it's black. So are the lashes. And the chevrons, stripes, quadrifoils, the logo again, and without the line. All of these images are SVGs, and that means when you place them, you can change the color to whatever you want it to look like. I also threw in some of your photographs. This was something we'd used on your business card, which I thought you might want to also incorporate in some of your social media. These were just some others. I think those are just some photos I found also that were free photos and was playing around a little bit. All right, let's try doing something. Facebook templates. I have 7 in here to choose from. So let's just take a template and let you customize it yourself. How about the tranquil quote? This is a Facebook sized image according to Canva. And let's just say we're going to use this template. First thing we'll do is, well, you know that Canva has photos you can choose from as well and do searches, which maybe we could do that. Let's try to, maybe I want to do an ocean beach kind of chill thing going on. Oh, and there's some that are free and some that are not free. Well, anyway, we'll just pop one in here. How about that? All right. Oh, we need to throw away the old one. Pop in this new one. I'm definitely jam into this. All right. If you right-click, you can send this photo to the back, and there are your quotes showing again. I also noticed that image. I think we're going to want to move all this stuff over. Maybe one at a time, huh? Anyway, this is showing you how you can keep adjusting, and I like how this looks. This is one of the kind of a quote just to kind of get that nice, cool vibe. We can change the color of that box. If you go up to the corner for where it says color, your main brand colors are here. The secondary colors are on this second row. Instead of using the navy, maybe we want to put in that deeper green. Let's see what that does. That's not too bad. The lighter one, if we do that, we'll need to change our font. Oops. And make it a different color. Up here, you can go up, pick, maybe we'll make it the navy. That way it shows up. All right, and we'll change this decorative border and make it navy as well. All right. So far so good. Maybe we want a different quote. I'll pull up a few. Let's see what we want to say. I may not have a good quote here, but maybe we'll just put this one in. Less stress, more facials. Okay. Anyway, this is really just more just to show you there's a lot of things you can do here. Just move that up. How about we brand it with your logo? Go back to the uploads. That one's got the stripe, but I don't want to put the stripe on this one. Let's do this. Click on it, it plops in, and you can size it to fit on that section. You might have noticed it came in black, so what we'll do is go back and change it to the navy color as well. So we have a completely similar palette. Now, I realize you may not want to put a picture of a boat in the water there, but let's try taking it out and putting in a photo. Well, not her. She's not getting a facial, is she? All right. I'm going to undo. Put the boat back. I just think it gives you the idea. Now, once you've done that, you can give it a name, maybe less stress. And I don't recommend publish to Facebook. I've been told that it's not always that good or very reliable, or it's just limiting. So I suggest you, well, it will save it for you and then download it. This would be better as a JPEG since it has a photo in it. And go ahead and hit that quality, download, and there you have it. Your design is ready to go. I hope that kind of helps. Maybe I'll pull up another, just a blank, and we'll start from that. So we got your Facebook post size, your Instagram post size, our uploads. Let's try putting in the stripe background. Let's see. Throw the stripes on there and stretch it out. Yes, I know they're black, but this is the magic. You go over to the color. You pick the color you want. Let's go with the navy, and let's throw a solid background back there too. So here's, I don't know why it does this. Fill up the back, color it navy, but here we're going to do a little change. We're going to put a little transparency hit on it so that it doesn't all, so it will show through a little bit. Give it a little tone on tone. I'm thinking that looks pretty cool. Maybe though you don't want the stripes. Well, where are those darn things? Maybe you only want the stripes at the top. I think we did one like that. All right, well, let's go ahead and add the border there. Now you have a border. We can put another color in back of this. For instance, cream color. And throw your logo on top. Just find that with the long one. Again, it's in black, so let's change it to blue, the navy color. I'm liking how that's looking. This is a blank canvas. We can put anything on here that you want. We can add a photo. We could add a different texture background. We could add some eyelashes. What goes down here? Maybe leave them in black since lashes are usually a dark color, but maybe not. And put some cute little saying in here. How about I don't know why I didn't have these all ready to go. May your day be as amazing as your lashes. How about that? All right, you can add a heading. This is why I need to show you this. The heading is Montserrat, and then the subheading is the font Amsterdam that I found for you. Let's try the Amsterdam font. Let's see how that looks. Okay, may your day be as, what do I want to say, as amazing as your lashes. Not digging that. We'll get it going here. I bet you can hear the music in the background. All right, so this would be a photo-less image, but you can see how you're getting your branding message across. In fact, we'll just go ahead and save this one as a template, and then if you did want to go in and edit it or something, you can. Okay. Stripes and lashes. I'll show you how to do that. We'll go down and go to template. Select a folder, which I have Facebook templates there for you. Select and publish. Let's go look at it. There it is. I don't know why this is looking different size, but anyway, now you have 2, 4, 6, 8. Hey, bonus. I hope this helps you, and I hope I've covered everything I need to tell you about. So your brand kit has your logo, it has your brand colors, it has your fonts already picked out. So all you have to do is just start creating, and then you have your upload folder with images that we've used before and things that you can customize. Any of these black and white ones or black and transparent ones are the ones that you can colorize. These little guys are just little buttons you can throw on here or there. Maybe you want to, even these lips, although they're not black, they're an SVG and you can change the color on those. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I'll be talking to you again soon.